Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 2050 mobile printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and into Google search, you want to locate or search for HP OfficeJet 250 mobile support, and it should be an HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to just scroll down here underneath support categories and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, select the installation software and driver dropdown. And there should be an easy start printer setup software link in here. Select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. At this point, just to follow along with the on-screen prompts here, it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc., and about just going ahead and setting up and configuring your printer, whether you're going to have a wireless or wired-based connection, and that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.